Fulton County Prosecutor's Office Fani Willis said on November 14 that the expected trial regarding Trump and his allies' alleged election interference could be tried in 2025, the final phase of the 2024 presidential election. In an interview at Washington Post Live's Global Women's Summit, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis said the anticipated trial of Trump and his allies' alleged election interference could continue on Election Day 2024, and possibly continue on Inauguration Day. He said he could. I believe there will be a trial in this case. I think the trial will take months. I don't expect it to be concluded until the winter or early 2025. Willis said. The news comes as Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee begins considering scheduling issues the sprawling Georgia case. That decision will likely have to factor in Trump's other planned legal action, other cases, including separate federal election interference case handled by Special Attorney Jack Smith. Willis' comments are likely to draw criticism from Trump, who has accused him and other prosecutors of trying to thwart his bid for the presidency in 2024. While Willis has publicly refused to comment specifically on Trump and other defendants, he has said the election calendar plays no role in his decisions about cases his office pursues. I do not take any election period or election season into account when making decisions about the cases to be filed. It is not included in this account. What comes into the calculation is this is the law, and the facts show that you violated the law. Then charges are brought, Willis said. Willis' appearance came hours after he filed an emergency request asking the presiding judge to issue a protective order on discovery materials in the case to prevent potential evidence from leaking. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis told The Washington Post on November 14 that she was not happy about the leak of recorded video statements. The request came a day after The Washington Post published details of recorded statements given to prosecutors by 4 Trump defendants who accepted plea deals in the case. Recorded conversations between prosecutors' pro-Trump attorneys Kenneth Chesebro, Jenna Ellis Sidney Powell, Atlanta bail bondsman Scott Hall offered previously undisclosed details about efforts by Trump his allies to overturn his defeat. Some details in the 2 videos were first reported by ABC News on Monday. Willis denied that his office was behind the leak, calling it disappointing rather than surprising. I am not happy it was released, Willis said. Willis had previously sought a protective order on discovery materials in the case, including so-called offer videos containing statements from those who pleaded guilty in the case. In a filing Tuesday, Willis renewed his request on an urgent basis, citing leak of the records to media. These secret video recordings were not disclosed by state to any party other than